Alrighty guys, I'm back again here with another video. I'm back with the BosGame mini PC. We're just gonna take it apart, see what all is upgradable, if we can upgrade the RAM, and what other slots we have on the inside. Looks like to access the back, it's just 4 standard screws. And it looks like they're just standard Phillips heads, so let me just undo this real quick. Alrighty, so it looks like, there we go. So you have to be very careful, but screws are at the bottom, but it opens from the top, like the lid itself comes off. So just kind of gently work your way around it. Easiest way would be, I think, is just around the edges. So where the micro SD card slot is, that's where you should grab it by. And you should have a plastic pry tool. Oh, we need it. There you go. Just kind of gently play with it until it comes out like that. Alrighty, so 1 stick of DDR4's 2666 memory. It's just standard laptop memory. Take this guy out. NVMe. SSD, let's still take this one out. So there's that. And then the Wi-Fi antenna right there. So it looks like it just has the 1 slot for an additional NVMe, which is fine for everyday purposes. You're not really gonna need anything more than 256. This one is from a brand I've never really heard from, Kingston. I guess it's a play on words from Kingston. What is this right here? Oh, it actually supports a standard, yeah, it goes right there. So it actually can support a laptop drive, like a standard laptop drive. This right here is just a SATA and power connector, but standard laptop drive or another SSD works perfectly fine in here. So something like that. Put them in right there. Actually, not that bad as far as features that it comes with. So we'll put this guy back in. Let's see here. That is essentially how you would want to upgrade this particular computer. So 2 separate slots. I'll double check and see what the maximum memory it supports. I believe it's going to be 32 gigs of RAM. If I'm wrong, I'll just write it somewhere here. But other than that, that is pretty much it. It's fairly straightforward setup. CMOS battery. Yeah, it's a really good little computer. And you want to take it all the way out, just kind of lift it right here. Just be very careful around the ports. Oops. there is everything. Nice copper heatsink. Awesome. And then nothing down here. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. I'll put this guy back together and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.